Like when you are proud of something, you post it everywhere. So, duh. Let's do it. Scared. Very scared. Hey lovely, so welcome back to my channel. So this is my second video and I'm really excited. I posted one Q&A on my Instagram and I have shortlisted 32 questions, and I'm sorry but I'm gonna miss few questions, but I have shortlisted the best questions. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Can I edit few parts like okay, so first question is, how was your high school days? Okay, my high school was really good. Like after 9th and 10th, I don't used to have good friends, but when I joined 11, I had amazing life there. They were really good. I have few best friends. I am still in contact with many of them. Even before coming to Delhi, I met few of them and they are really good. Although we don't meet every day and we don't talk every day, but my 11th 12th was really good. Do you believe in soulmates? Of course I do believe in soulmates, and if you don't, then I'm like, bye. Third question is, who is your inspiration? Okay, inspiration as in like I am very much inspired by my mom, and I'm not lying. Like, mom, if you are watching this, I love you so much. I adore you a lot. You're the best person I can get inspired from, and I just want to be like you when I grow old. So I love you, mom. And dad, if you're watching, I love you too. And now, what are the things without which you cannot live? See, I actually don't know, and I'm actually not prepared. I have not prepared any of the questions, so I'm just so I'm attached to so many things, but I think when you have circumstances, you have to leave few things. Like I it was like from my 20 life, from the past 22 years, I used to live with my parents, but now I'm without them. I used to live with my pets, but I am not with them. So I think I can actually live without everything. But there are these phone video calls where we can see them and talk to them. So yeah, I don't know. Are you angel from heaven? Shit. Okay, मैंने ये गलती से क्वेश्चन रिजेक्ट नहीं किया, but yeah. What is your income from Insta and how much? Okay, see, Instagram is not giving us money. Instagram, like if we get products, or we promote anything, like anything, any link, any app, any product, anything whichever influencers get, and anything, for that we get our payments, our money. And how much, I don't wanna answer. Okay, let it be. The highest amount I got through promoting something or through Instagram is 4,800. That is my highest amount till date, like at one time. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Okay, where do I see myself in 5 years? Guys, I think I just wanna be a very successful person, and I want to live the life I always wanted to, without taking my parents' money. And I want them to be proud of myself. Like, I want them to be happy, and I want them to I just want to make them happy, and I want to live the happiest life of my life. Okay, how often do you cry? To be very honest, I am a crybaby. Like once in a week I do freaking I cry a lot, and I don't think that's a bad thing. You can, let out things, and it's okay to cry. If not influencer, what else would you be good at? First of all, I don't consider myself as influencer, because there I am not at that level of where I just don't consider, because there is lot more to go, and I am happy where I am, but there is more to go, so I don't consider myself anything right now. And if not, then I think counselor maybe. Like when I was in school, I used to have one counselor, like student counselor. I used to adore her personality, and I always wanted to be like her. Ma'am, if you're watching this, I don't know if she will. I actually used to love you, and if not this, then maybe like you. Who is your favorite superstar? Superstar? I am in love with Handy. Like everybody, maybe you all of you know her. I'm gonna attach her picture somewhere. I just love her. Like she is my favorite. I adore her. She is like my woman crush. My like, wow, she's so beautiful. Okay. What is your favorite movie? Okay, favorite movie in Bollywood, like I have few, like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Vivaah, Sanam Teri Kasam, and many more. Abhi dimag mein nahi aa raha. How to grow on Instagram? Okay, I actually whenever I post a question answer round, I get this question a lot. So guys, if you want to grow on Instagram, keep posting every day, make your profile public, use hashtag, although I don't use hashtag because I don't like that thing. Make different content, and I think now reel is a very good option to grow your account. So I personally don't do all these things, but I'm just sharing. To grow, you should do reels every day. You should work on the reels which are really famous, and all of them are using like trending one. You do that, and yeah, and just be yourself, keep posting every day. Like if you actually want to do something, like be frequent to your work, like start posting every day, make new content, and don't think about followers and likes and all, but just let yourself come out. That's all. Well, can we see a blog of your hometown? Obviously, that I am waiting for it. Like I wanna go back home. Whenever I'll go home, I'm gonna vlog everything, and I'm gonna show you everyone, my family and my brother. Miss you Laddu, and my pet, guys, my pet. Those who know me, they know. Like I always, whenever I was home, I always used to play with them, and miss you guys. Your biggest achievement in life? Okay, my biggest achievement was in 2019. I was the winner of Sharoshreshta Mock 2019. I was there and got my crown and my sachet, and I those who don't know, I was into modeling, and I did few shows and all, but never won something like a big title and crown and all those things. So I was like, oh my god. So that was my biggest achievement till date. Maybe I have more, like that was something which is like coming into my you know, that was like, oh wow, I got it, and I was so happy. And yeah, good moment. And yeah, that I have I was so proud of it. I have posted pictures everywhere, and I have used, like, I have written Sharoshreshta Mook, winner of Sharoshreshta Mook 2019 on my Instagram bio. Like, when you are proud of something, you post it everywhere. So duh. So yeah, that was like me. I have done it. So close. Do you think we can see you on big screen? I mean, no, but if I get opportunity, why not? I'm kidding. No. Your bad experience in life. So in 2019, around July, June end to July, till August, it was a horrible situation for me. I don't wanna tell the entire story here. Maybe someday, if I'm comfortable enough, I'm gonna share this with everyone, each and every one of you. And that was the worst situation of my life. That was the worst, like the worst can happen to a person. So that was my, like, I'm still insecure to share that shit, but my whoever was with me in that phase of my life, I want to thank each and every one of you here, because it's a platform to talk. And yeah, I just want to thank to my family, like, thank you so much for being there. And yeah, just thank you for supporting me in my bad times. I want to thank my friends too, because guys, love you. Thank you. Maybe some other day I'm gonna share my story here. Do you own any pet? Of course, I have 2 pets. I have 2 guinea pigs, and one is Bob, her name is Bob, and another one, boy, who is Tim, and I love both of them. I am actually missing them, and my brother sends me their videos and pictures every day, and like once in a you know I love them. Whenever I call my mom, like on video call, I see them, and I just want to go them and hug them. They are like super cute, guys, like super cute. I can't even tell you guys. They are like lovely. I can, if I am very bad at editing, guys, if you guys can tell me how to edit videos, so please contact me and tell me how to edit YouTube videos, because I'm just editing, like I'm shooting from my phone and just editing, like I just edit. Last time I edited my Instagram username, that's all. I actually want to learn. So if I can edit their pictures today, I'm gonna edit their pictures here somewhere. And I love big pets. Okay, what makes you kind, polite person? First of all, if you think like that, I am super glad, and I don't know what to say. I have, like, I don't know, I feel that you should always choose kindness over anything, and maybe at some point of time I have not been on the track for some reason, but I have chosen a kindness for the rest of my life, and I am trying to, be on that track. So kindness for the rest of my life. Boyfriend. No, I am not dating anyone right now. তুমি বাংলাতে কেন কথা বলো না? This was the question. আমি বাংলাতে কথা বলি. I can speak Bengali. So yeah, I talk to whoever is Bengali. I can talk to them in Bengali. Although my Bengali is not that perfect, but I do speak. I know how to speak. Do you even get hate? I think everybody do get hate, like silent hate or hate on Instagram. Like everybody get hate. So maybe yes, I think so. But luckily I have very good people in my life, and I am glad to be with them. I love you guys. Do you, oh my god, my neck, like my do you even compare yourself with any other influencer? No, like why should I even compare myself? Like I am in touch with so many influencers, and they are really good. We actually support each other in everything, like everything we actually share. We actually take suggestions from them, and we all are like friends. Like if I am not friends with someone, I am never, compare. I have never compared myself. Like I try to learn things from them, and I try to observe things, but I have never compared myself with anyone. Like I am the only me in this world. So yeah, right? What's your height? I am pretty tall, guys. I am 5'6". I dare you to eat a chili. Guys, I think I'm gonna do that at the end of the video, because I have few questions left, and if I am gonna eat it right now, I think I can't make the entire video. So right now I won't, and though whoever is asked this, I will just do it for the YouTube. But this is so bad. This is like the question answer round, not theirs, okay? And yeah, किसी और के बॉयफ्रेंड से जलन and नजर. Oh my god, no, I always follow bro code in my life. So like मेरे फ्रेंड्स के बॉयफ्रेंड्स पे तो कभी नहीं, like they are like जीजू और ब्रदर वाले वो. So no, like even if he is very handsome or very good looking, or I just like no, please, that's not me, like never. Your voice इतना प्यारा क्यों है? I don't know if you think like that. Thank you so much, love. स्टॉकर के लिए कोई मैसेज? स्टॉकर के लिए क्या बोलूँ, मतलब keep stalking, but like be my fan, guys. मतलब I should not say like that, but ऐसे मत करो ना, like स्टोरीज आके देखते रहते हो, क्यों? Sorry, kidding. You're Delhi or Kolkata? No. Like the half of me is still in Kolkata, and I am here in Delhi. So don't let me choose between two things. Like it's like, why? No. Guys, for those who don't know, before I was in Kolkata, I used to stay in Delhi. So I am so much attached to Delhi. And Kolkata, of course, there is my home, my friends are there, my parents are there, my pets. So yeah, I can't choose between these two. अब बहुत फिट हो गई हो, वेल डन. I am not fit yet, but I am working on that, and I think I'll just wanna say thank you. अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं फिट हो गई हूँ पहले से तो thank you, but it's oops my camera, but I think there is lot more to go, and yeah, that's all. So I need to work hard, and maybe I'll do my level best. How are you? So cute and hot. I don't know what happened between you and, I just don't want to take names here, but this question was asked by common friend, and like we never talked about it on social media because I always used to post stuff. But I have today, for the last time, I want to answer this question that we both were growing together, and then few things don't work out, so we grow apart. And I don't have any hate for anyone. Like we have moved on. We both are happy in each other's lives. Although I am in no contact with that person anymore, but I wish the person a very good luck, and stay happy. So like things like destiny went, our destiny was going to different directions. So yeah. Okay, so question answer is almost over. So guys, I'm scared. I'm very scared. This is so not done. I am very scared. I don't eat chili. My like spice tolerance is not that good. Like chili, for chili, it's a no. But let's do it. Scared. Very scared. I just did it for my YouTube. My God. Okay. So guys, get my eyes. So I have completed all my questions, and I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button below, please. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon, and comment if you like it, and tell me what should I post next. I am feeling very disgusting right now. So bye for now. Bye guys. Hope to see you soon.